Good evening, students. I all welcome you to the English class. And today we will do question answers of At the Zoo. But before that, I would like to explain you the chapter. And before that, we had done dogs, and we have also done the breeds of dog and its explanation. And I hope you are all able to understood it, and you have all written it. So without wasting any time, let's start our poem, that is At the Zoo. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. We should be always careful what we do, what we say when we visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Hump means rounded projecting part. The camel has a very round shape, ball shaped, as you can see here, that is called hump. But he is very proud that he has a noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you and me. We should not laugh at any other animal or any other chimpanzee, so that we know that he is as wise as we are. And the penguins, strutting round the lake, can understand remarks you make. Strutting means moving in a disciplined manner. Okay, strutting means moving in a disciplined manner. Okay. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. The thing is that we are going to zoo, we are maintaining discipline, we are treating them well, that they will not harm you, nor we will harm us. Okay, so this is the rules we follow when we visit the zoo, and we all of us have visited the zoo, and we have all followed the rules. So those who have not followed the rules, we have seen how many incidents have happened in the life. We have all seen this, isn't it? So we should be beware of it. Okay, so I hope that I had made you understand, and you would be able to write whatever inside question, any meaning, anything should be asked from the chapter, you will be able to write it down. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will discuss the question answer also. So let's start the question answer. First question is, what does poet want to be careful about? The poet want us to be careful about what we say or we do at the zoo when we visit a zoo. Okay, why should not we make fun of camel's hump? We should not make fun of the camel's hump because he is proud of his noble bump. What does the chimpanzee think of himself? The chimpanzee thinks of himself that he is as wise as you and me. What special quality, according to the poem, do penguins have? The special quality was the penguins were strutting round the lake. Okay. What will happen if we treat the animals well? If we treat the animals well, you will be always welcomed at the zoo. So these are the rules or some disciplines we have to follow. Okay, regarding when we are visiting the zoo, we have all visited the zoo, we have all seen many types of animals, their behaviors, when they are angry, when they are not angry, and we are already known also that if we are not disturbing, they are also not disturbing us, right? If we are maintaining discipline, they are also in discipline. Okay, so it's our duty to make them comfortable in the zoo itself, as if there will be no zoo, we can't see any variety of animals. If you want to see the variety of animals, zoo is the best place to visit, isn't it? So it's our duty, and as an Indian citizen, we should also preserve the animals in the zoo and help them not getting extinct, and also maintaining good work by stopping them, by giving them a good food, good nature product in the zoo. Okay, so I hope I had made you able to made you understand, and this was the explanation of the poem At the Zoo and its question answer. The further exercises we will do in the next class. Okay, I hope you have all understood and you will be able to write the question answers on your own. It will be very I'll be very happy that if you will write the answers first on your own, then I am there to help you out always, so that you can able to write in the senior classes also, right? So take care all of you, have a very nice day, stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy, do a very good care of yourself, obey your parents, obey your teachers, study hard, as well as your examinations are upcoming behind. An online examination, periodic online examination is going to be held in the month of May. Soon you will get the dates, so please study hard so that you can get good marks in the exam. Okay, so these are my final words. I would like to end it out, and many things I'll tell you in the class. Okay, so stay fit, stay happy, and have a very nice day. Bye students, take care all of you. Bye, see you in the next class.